Welcome to another refactoring of the YouTube player. Here we will refactor it to use grid, and this is based on one of my older blog, this blog. So why grid? Grid because it is a modern thing, and what we used to do with Bootstrap can be easily done with grid. So you don't need to remember the Bootstrap classes and all, and you can learn some easy CSS with the use of grid. So let's start, and the first thing which we will do is go back to our app and remove all Bootstrap classes. Here in app.js we don't have any Bootstrap classes, but we are going to wrap this video detail and video list in a class, and it will be called wrapper container. They will be further wrap in another div, and it will be called grid container. Let me format it with prettier. Yeah, so it is done. Now after that, let's move to search bar. We don't need to change anything because this search bar class is very important, which you already have. Then let's go to video detail. Yeah, here we are using a lots of Bootstrap classes, so let's remove them. I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't even want this. Yeah, and this is also Bootstrap class. I don't want this, but I want a class. It will be called frame of item. So let me save this. Then let's come to video list item. Here I don't need to change this, but I don't want this. This is a Bootstrap class. I don't want this. This is a Bootstrap class. I don't want this Bootstrap class also. I don't want this also, and I definitely don't want this. Let me save this also. Then in video list we are rendering this one only, and here again we are using a Bootstrap class, so we are removing it. And let's go back to our app and see how it is looking. See, it is looking like this. Only this is style, everything else is small. So let's move back to our index.css and add some classes. So this search bar is working because we have already have the classes for that. So search bar is working fine because of that, and this ones are also working fine. But the main class with CSS Grid. We are using CSS Grid is that wrapper container. These are the classes which we add in app.js. Wrapper container margin will be 20 px. So pushed it inside, then dot grid container. Now this is where the magic of CSS Grid happens. First we will do it as a display grid. See, it's auto says what we are going to do. Grid templates column. Now this means that we will have two columns. One will be 700 pixel and the other one will be 300 pixel. It is not like Bootstrap where we have only 12 columns. So it will have two columns, and there are many other flexible things are also here, but we will do this. So let me save this and show you. This is 701 and 700 pixel, and this is 300 pixel. Justify content will be center. So everything is center, and grid, let's have some column gap, 20 pixel. So we have some gap here. Now that frame item which we have defined in our video details, let add styles for that. Width will be 100%. Height will be 600 pixel. So it is showing it more wider, and it is working perfectly. You can play with it more to get it to the perfect size, but I think this completes the series, and with only 2-3 lines of code we have achieved everything which we have used so many Bootstrap classes. Hope you like this part. Thank you.